Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So I just woke up and noticed that we have more snow from last night. I am going to clean up here in the front and let's take a look at the small backyard. But I do miss my garden though, and I can't wait for the spring to come. This is how it looked like during the big snowfall. The garden is full of snow. Look how high it is. Everything is covered. I can't even open the shed. It's full of snow. Look at the garden. Everything is covered. Oh wow. I'm going to get a shovel and start to clean up the stairs. Oh, my strawberry beds. I still can see the leaves here. Okay, I'm going to get ready to get cleaned up. This is my blueberry plants right here. It's all covered, and that's the other one here. So what I did is I put a support, or I mean a cage on it, because the rabbit will eat everything if they are hungry, especially at this time. There's no food source right now, so it's protected. I couldn't believe so much snow that we have. That's a lot. I can't even walk in here. Oh wow. uh, this is heavy. Look, can't even get through there. This makes me. It's my day off today and I love to clean the snow, get some fresh air and do some exercise. hope you like this video and I really appreciate you all.